how to check longitude and latitude on Google Maps. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what we're going to do is we're going to simply select an area that we want to get our latitude and longitude. For example, let's go and choose this area over here. So what you're going to do is you're just simply going to click on the map and you will see a pin over here that is going to be placed, and you can see it below here. This is our latitude and longitude. You can also right click on the pin and you will be able to see here directly, wherein you could copy and paste it on a specific docs or text. Or a quicker way that you could do is you can just simply go to a place and right click it directly, and you should then be able to see the longitude and latitude of that specific area that you have right clicked. But having a pin helps so that you can easily be more accurate with what you're trying to get, as you can see. So that's basically how you will be able to do it. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.